Hi everyone, I am Althea Gwyneth A. Maulion from grade 12 Ephesians, together with my group mate, Janella, Harleen, Anthony, Mary Grace, and Leonard. This video will show you our experiences as we go through our journey of learning and embracing knowledge of Robotics 4. We explore different ways a system can receive user input using 3 devices, a 4x4 keypad, IRReceiver, and RFID. Our goal was to understand how each input method sends information to the Arduino. By building these systems, we learned how hardware and programming work together to create interactive, practical, and user-friendly automation systems.
Let us now understand the input systems of 4x4 keypad, IRReceiver, and RFID. The 4x4 keypad is arranged in 4 rows and 4 columns. This setup allows multiple buttons to work using only a few pins of the microcontroller. When a button is pressed, it sends a signal to the system based on its position. IRReceiver allows wireless control by detecting signals from a remote. Each button sends a unique code that the Arduino reads as a command, but it requires a clear line of sight to work properly. RFID uses radio waves to scan a tag's unique ID without physical contact. Once the tag is registered, access is granted quickly and efficiently. These input systems showed us how a single user action can trigger multiple responses in one system.
While working on the keypad, IR, and RFID systems, we encountered several challenges. First, the keypad. Some buttons did not register properly. We experienced this problem because of loose jumper wires and incorrect row and column pin connections. Second, with the IRReceiver, signals were sometimes not detected due to wiring issues or interference. Third and lastly, for RFID, the reader occasionally failed to recognize a registered tag. And to solve these problems, we carefully checked our wiring connections, verified pin assignments, and reviewed our codes to ensure everything matched correctly. Testing each components individually and using serial monitor helped us see whether the Arduino was reading the inputs properly. And through this process, we learned that small mistakes like loose wires or incorrect pins can affect the whole system.
After debugging, we integrated all the components into complete systems. For the keypad, entering the correct code activates the servo motor to unlock the door, turns on the LED, and sounds the buzzer. With the IRReceiver, pressing a button on the remote controls output like lights, buzzer, or LCD messages. For RFID, scanning a registered card triggers the same feedback and unlocks the system being validated with LCD, LED lights, and servo motor. Integrating the system taught us how input and output components work together. The LED buzzer, and LCD provide immediate feedback, making the system more interactive and user-friendly. Starting with simple sets up before adding more components helped prevent errors and made integration smoother. Seeing everything work together was one of the most rewarding parts of the project.
The system will build up many real-time applications. The 4x4 keypad can be used in password-protected doors, attendance system, menu-based controls, and small robotics projects. It's simple, affordable, and reliable. IR technology is commonly used in devices like TVs and air conditioners because it's easy to set up. It works well for short-range wireless control such as electronics loops or basic attendance system. RFID is ideal for fast, contactless, and secure identification. It's widely used in attendance monitoring, electronic doors, locks, and inventory management. These technologies show how different input systems can make process faster, easier, and more efficient.
Looking back, this project felt like a continuation of everything we've learned throughout our robotics journey. The challenges we face, whether in wiring, coding, or testing, help us strengthen our technical skills while also improving our teamwork and problem-solving abilities. Well, we began to see how simple Simple input devices could work together to control more complex automated system, which made the concept we learned in previous project feel more connected and meaningful. Although the project was challenging at times, it was also fun and rewarding. But to us, this journey helped us grow as a student, deepen our understanding of robotics, and appreciate how automation and security systems are applied in a real-world situations.